If Microsoft Edge is giving you an error message, freezing, not opening properly, or just acting strange, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. We'll go step by step through the easiest solutions first, starting with repairing Microsoft Edge from Control Panel, then clearing your browser cache and cookies, and finally disabling any conflicting extensions that may be causing the issue. These fixes are safe, beginner-friendly, and they often solve the most common Microsoft Edge errors without needing complicated troubleshooting. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the Control Panel on your Windows computer. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and typing Control Panel, then opening it from the search results. Once Control Panel is open, look for the option that lets you uninstall or change a program. On some Windows versions, this may be under Programs and Features. Click that option and then find Microsoft Edge in the list of installed programs. Select it and look for the Change, Repair or Modify option. If your system gives you the ability to change or repair Edge, go ahead and run that process. This can replace damaged files and fix issues that are causing the error message. Let the repair complete, then restart your computer and try opening Microsoft Edge again. If the problem is still there, the next thing you should do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Open Microsoft Edge, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, find Privacy, Search and Services, then scroll until you see the option to clear browsing data. Click Choose what to clear. Make sure you select cached images and files, as well as cookies and other site data. If you want a clean reset for just the browser issue, you can also choose a time range like all time. Then click Clear Now and wait for the process to finish. This step is important because corrupted cache files or old cookies can often trigger loading errors, sign-in problems, or strange browser behavior. After clearing everything, close Microsoft Edge completely and reopen it to test whether the error message is gone. If you're still having trouble, the third fix is to disable conflicting extensions. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with Edge and cause pages to crash, fail to load, or display error messages. To check this, click the three-dot menu again, go to Extensions, and open Manage Extensions. You'll see a list of all installed add-ons. Turn off every extension one by one, or disable them all temporarily to test the browser. After disabling them, restart Microsoft Edge and see if it works normally. If the error disappears, then one of those extensions is the cause. You can turn them back on one at a time to identify the exact one that's creating the conflict. Once you find it, remove it or leave it disabled. These three steps usually solve most Microsoft Edge error messages quickly. Repair the browser from Control Panel, clear cache and cookies, and disable conflicting extensions. In many cases, that's all it takes to get Edge working properly again. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.